If you need to reset your password for your Edward Jones online account, follow these straightforward steps to regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Visit the Edward Jones website. Go to the official Edward Jones website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the home page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your information. On the password recovery page, enter the required information, such as your username or email address associated with your account. This helps verify your identity. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for password reset link from Edward Jones. Be sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your inbox. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email, which will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Follow the instructions to set a strong password, then confirm it. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Edward Jones online account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.